Hey, welcome to the 5-minute gentle seated stretch. If you are new to yoga or for anyone who wants to relieve their tension in a gentle way. Let's get started in an easy cross-legged variation. Starting with some neck rolls. Drop your chin towards your chest. Roll your left ear to left shoulder. And then draw it all the way right ear to right shoulder. Repeat this one more time. Keep on breathing. Maybe this time full circles. Drawing your head all the way back as your chin comes down. Exhale. As your head goes back, inhale. And then reverse the directions. Feeling every inch at the back of your neck. Just sinking each movement with the breath. Lift your head up. Clasp your fingers. Reach your arms up to the ceiling as you breathe in. Pull your chest away from your waist. Exhale, lean to the right. Lift up to the center as you breathe in. Exhale to left. One more time. Repeat on your own pace. When you come back to the center, keeping your fingers clasped, place your hands just behind your head. Your elbows facing sideways. Inhale, open your heart, squeeze your shoulder blades, gaze up, shoulders are away from your ears. Exhale, rounding through your spine, your elbows are coming towards each other, chin to chest. 2 more times on your own pace. Inhale, open. Exhale, rounding and contracting. And then release your hands from the back of your neck. Release your right hand to the side. Reach your left arm up for side stretches. Breathe in, grow tall. Breathe out, lean to the right. Pushing the left sit bone down onto the mat. To the center, inhale. To the left as you exhale. Swing one more time on your own pace. Inhale, come back to the center. This time, turn to the shorter edge of the mat for seated twists. Extend the right leg, bend the left leg. Left foot either inside or outside of your right leg. Choose any variation, just explore here. Left hand goes behind you, reach your right arm up. Breathe in, tall spine, exhale, tuck your right elbow to the outer left thigh. As you exhale, twist to the left, twist from the middle of your chest, gaze over your left shoulder if that is okay for your neck. Nice deep breaths here. Release. This time, extend your left leg, clasp the fingers at the back of your left leg. Kick the left heel towards the ceiling. Flex your left foot, maybe slightly leaning back. Keep the micro bend if you're tight at the back of your leg. Deep breaths here. Maybe sliding your hands towards your ankle to go deeper into the stretch. Keep pushing the elbows to the sides. Keep lifting your leg towards your chest. Keep pressing the right heel down onto the mat. One last squeeze here. Release your left foot on the mat. Bend the left leg. Drop the left knee to the side. Left hand goes behind you. Reach your right arm up. Pick up your hips with your next breath in. Pushing to your left palm. Your arm to the left shin. Exhale, release. One more time on your own pace. Pick up, lift, exhale, come back onto the mat. This time, switch the sides, same, repeating on the same side. Bend the right leg, right foot either inside or outside of your left leg. Right hand goes behind you. Lift your left arm up, breathe in, grow tall. Exhale, tuck your left elbow to the outer right thigh. With your next exhale, twist to the right. Gaze over your right shoulder if that is okay for you. Keep flexing the left foot. Deep breaths here. Release, come out of the pose. Extend your right leg, clasp your fingers behind the leg, and then kick through your right heel. Maybe slightly leaning back, pulling your navel in. Gently pulling the leg towards you. Maybe sliding your hands towards your ankle. Keep pressing the left heel down onto the mat. One last squeeze here. Release. Bend the right leg, right foot inside of your left thigh. Right hand goes behind you. Reach your left arm up. Pick up your hips. Breathe in. Open. Exhale. Come all the way down. One more time. Release. This time, extend both legs for forward fold. Option to sit up on a block or a folded blanket if you feel rounded in your back. Circle your arms up, breathing. Exhale, forward fold at your own degree, releasing your hands to the side of your feet. With crawling or walking, your chest is going towards your feet. And then release your head towards your legs. Nice, deep, slower breaths here. Notice at the back of your neck, middle of your shoulders, all the way down into your mid back, low back, eventually all the way down into your heels. Last breath here. Ease out of the pose by sliding or walking your hands back, lift yourself up, bend your legs, hug yourself, hold on to the opposite elbows. Just showing some gratitude for your today's practice. Just notice how are you feeling now as opposed to the beginning of the class. And then release. Come back to the center. Pray your hands at your heart center. Bowing forwards. Namaste.